Hello, hello. Today we're going to talk about the Beautybox. This is October's box, and they're getting so good about our shipping. So these are a subscription box, which comes with $200 worth of product, approximately. It comes with a full size product, a refill, trial size products, a tool, although this one came with 2 tools, and a code in the brochure itself that gives you so much dollars off, so much spent, or something of the like. And so it also comes, I want to kind of show you this. So how it comes in this box. Do you see these little, so these are environmentally safe. So if you put them under running water, they completely disintegrate. I love how they do, they're so environmentally aware. They're paraben-free, gluten-free, sulfate-free, Leaping Bunny certified, which is the highest that you can get. And everything is completely made in the United States of America, giving jobs here to people who need the jobs. So this, again, is our October box. And they get them shipped out every 15th. It processes every 15th, ships every 15th. We got ours within 3 days. 3 days, and I had my beauty box. So I had my beauty box on the 18th. I'm doing this video ahead of time because there's no way I want to go ahead and post this before everybody else has been able to get their beauty box and open it. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. One of the first products that we got in this one is, and I'm sorry you can hear my dogs, they're going nuts, is right here. So this is it's called Fake ID, and it's a Glycolic Rejuvenating Serum. And this is how it's coming now. It's coming and it looks like this. There is now a top on it. There is no pump on the bottle any longer in our beauty boxes, because there was an issue when the pump was included in it that it would leak out. So this is what they've done. Hey, stop! And then the pump is right next to it. And this is what the pump looks like. Come on, stop. And then the top. So the top is what the pump goes into. And then it sits down into the product, like so. But I love that it's coming that way now. That's really amazing. And then you have this, you know, whatever you want to do with your little cloth. This is, the other product is our Mission Accomplished. And this is a refill. This is a DNA Cell Rejuvenating Age Reversal Serum. And it's a more of a thicker, kind of creamier, and when it sits out, you will notice in the container, not when necessarily in this refill pouch, but in the container itself, it's going to start to bubble up. You're going to see little bubbles, and that is okay. That's 100% what it is supposed to do. I know there are a lot of people who buy it and then ask me the question, why is it bubbling? Why is it bubbling? Is it supposed to be doing this? Do I need to send this back? No, do not send it back. It is supposed to do that. Again, it is an age reversal serum. Okay. And it does go through, and when you get your brochures, this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm covering my code right here. But this is what it looks like, and it goes over in detail with you how to use each product and what the product's meant for and what it's going to help with. It's a lot of great information. I keep all of mine. It also came with Our first tool, which let me tell you before I show you this tool, I was about to purchase this tool off another site, and I was about to pay $75 for this tool. And this tool came in my $59 kit, or $59 subscription box. Ta-da! This is a rose quartz roller, and it stimulates the lymphatic system to eliminate toxins under the eyes, all over your face, your jawline, and it does help when you're going down. When you come down, go up, go up, go down this way, up this way, and it tells you how to use it. It gives you the instructions and it gives you the details. But it's a super good tool. And it says, with continued use, this roller will help alleviate the appearance of puffiness, fine lines, and tired skin, which we all have. It says, follow the instructions on the box of your box, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. You can use it with your serums for a deeper product penetration. Important. So, the next is the Black Eye Pencil. These are our pencils. It comes, as you can see, with a pencil sharpener in the cap. It is amazing. I love these pencils. They are they are not hard. They're not they don't hurt when they're going on your eye like some pencils are. They're a soft application, and very easy to sharpen, very easy to use. I love these ones. So you got that. It says, this is what it says. It has a very deep pigment. It has a soft consistency and stays ultra sharp to create fine lines with the help of an exceptional built-in sharpener. Ta-da! So we have that one. Next is Liquid Luxury, and this is a travel size product. And what this is a lipid repair oil. It's fortified with vitamins A, C, D, and E, and it revitalizes and softens skin upon application. This is really good too. I actually use this. I do my exfoliator on my feet. I get the really dry skin on the bottoms of my feet. I use my exfoliator in the shower on my feet. I get out of the shower and I add this to it, and it softens it right up. It's baby bottom smooth. And I also like it on my cuticles for my cuticle oil. It does say that this is a product that is releasing vitamin C to prevent pores from clogging. This incredible nutrient oil also reprograms dry skin for long-lasting softness, which is what I was explaining on my feet. So this is a really good product. And this is the travel size. This is not a refill. This is not a full size. Our full size are huge. This is the travel size. And you can see here, let me show you the top. It comes out and it just comes out right there. And you only need a couple squirts. It works really, really well. So then we have a new product. I'm so excited about this product too. I love this color. So some of you may or may not know, we have like the best lip plumper that I have ever used. Which I don't need it a whole lot because I have pretty big lips anyway. But give your lip a boost and a nice tint at that. So our lip plumpers usually came across really like a neutral peachy. Look at this one. Look at that color. So this is a lip plumper and a shade. And this shade is called for Halloween, Spellbound. It is a dark fall tone and will give your lips a soft berry tint. It is going to be a purse favorite for fall. You want this. And last but not least, another tool. And this is the cutest tool of all time. Of all freaking time. Okay, this is a blending balm, which any of us who use makeup, use our foundations, we want our blending balm. But look at this blending balm. Look at that blending balm. Is that not like the coolest, cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh my God, I can't wait to use this thing. Look how cute he is. Just, hey. My dogs and my cats are attacking each other. So, he's just too cute. And then, of course, the coupon is $10 off a $30 order this month. So, it is amazing. They also offer a QR code on the box of the back of the brochure. And this is an exclusive video that gives you a guide through all of the new products, how to use your products, and a link for the subscriber box. So these are on the back of every brochure as well, which again is why I say you probably want to keep your brochures because you can always go back. So that's all I got for today. So thanks for watching, and I'll be posting this as we get closer to the end of the month. Bye, guys. Oh, and happy Halloween.